What can be possible problems when capturing images? Make sure the patient's pupils are well dilated. Otherwise, you might encounter problems as the examination gets more challenging in general. You might also not be able to achieve full field of view and a sufficient illumination. So, always make sure that the pupils are well dilated. If you face any problems with the camera software in the app, you can also use your smartphone's default camera software and upload the images using the app. However, the special camera functions of the app might not be available in your default camera software. When using your default camera software, it might be helpful to lock the autofocus. If you have used your default camera, you can upload the images via Post Dilated Fundus Image and clicking on the Gallery button. For putting into practice, you can apply the explained steps now to a volunteer whose eyes are dilated. Don't forget to answer the questions afterwards.